the world of cryptocurrency is buzzing with excitement. It's a realm where innovation meets opportunity. Imagine creating your own digital currency. This is no longer a distant dream. It's a tangible possibility, open to anyone with the right knowledge and tools. This guide will take you on a journey into the heart of cryptocurrency creation. Get ready to unleash your creativity and build something truly unique. Creating your own cryptocurrency is like building a digital nation. You set the rules, define the purpose, and invite others to join your vision. Whether you're passionate about a cause, want to build a community, or simply explore the frontiers of technology, crafting your own crypto is an empowering experience. It's about taking control of your financial future and participating in a decentralized revolution. The journey begins with understanding the fundamental building blocks of cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and smart contracts. These innovative technologies form the backbone of your creation, ensuring transparency, security, and autonomy. We'll demystify these concepts, making them accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency creation. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to turn your vision into reality. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the vast potential of decentralized finance. At the heart of every cryptocurrency lies a revolutionary technology, the blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger distributed across countless computers worldwide. This ledger records every transaction transparently and securely. This is the essence of blockchain. It's a tamper-proof record-keeping system that eliminates the need for intermediaries. Each block in the chain contains a batch of verified transactions. These blocks are linked together chronologically, forming an unbreakable chain of information. Once a block is added to the chain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This immutability is what makes blockchain so secure and trustworthy. The decentralized nature of blockchain is another key aspect. No single entity controls the network. Instead, it's maintained by a distributed network of computers. This eliminates single points of failure and censorship. Transactions are verified and validated by multiple participants, ensuring fairness and transparency. Understanding blockchain is crucial for creating your own cryptocurrency. It forms the foundation of trust and security for your digital currency. In the next section, we'll explore how smart contracts built on top of blockchain. Technology can empower you to customize the functionality of your cryptocurrency. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you can get notified when we upload new videos. Let's continue. Smart contracts are the self-executing agreements that bring your cryptocurrency to life. Imagine digital contracts that automatically enforce the rules and logic you define. These contracts reside on the blockchain, ensuring transparency and immutability. They are the engines that power the functionality of your cryptocurrency. Written in code, smart contracts define the rules for how your cryptocurrency operates. This includes everything from transferring tokens between users to executing complex financial transactions. Once deployed on the blockchain, these contracts execute automatically, eliminating the need for intermediaries. The beauty of smart contracts lies in their flexibility and versatility, you can program them to perform a wide range of functions tailored to the specific needs of your cryptocurrency. Want to create a governance system where token holders vote on proposals? Smart contracts can make it happen. Need to implement a decentralized exchange for your token? Smart contracts are up to the task. Mastering smart contract development is essential for crafting your own cryptocurrency. It empowers you to define the rules, functionality, and possibilities of your digital creation. In the next section, we'll delve into the world of tokenomics, where you'll learn how to design the economic model of your cryptocurrency. Tokenomics is the art and science of designing the economic model of your cryptocurrency. It's about defining the supply, distribution, and utility of your token. A well-designed token economy is crucial for the success and sustainability of your cryptocurrency. One of the first decisions you'll make is determining the total supply of your token. Will it be a fixed supply, like Bitcoin, or will it be inflationary with new tokens minted over time? Each approach has its own implications for scarcity, value, and long-term sustainability. Next, you'll need to consider how your tokens will be distributed. Will you conduct an initial coin offering, ICO, to raise funds and distribute tokens to early supporters? Or will you opt for a fair launch where everyone has an equal opportunity to acquire tokens? Finally, you'll need to define the utility of your token. What problems will it solve? What value will it provide to holders? A clear and compelling use case is essential for attracting users and driving adoption. Tokenomics is a complex and nuanced field. It requires careful consideration of economic principles, market dynamics, and user behavior. A well-designed token economy can create a thriving ecosystem around your cryptocurrency. Now that you understand the fundamentals, it's time to choose the blockchain platform for your cryptocurrency. This decision depends on your project's specific needs and goals. Each platform has its own strengths, weaknesses, and technical specifications. Ethereum is a popular choice for its versatility and large developer community. It's a general-purpose blockchain that supports smart contracts, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. However, Ethereum's popularity can lead to network congestion and high transaction fees. Binance Smart Chain, or BSC, offers a faster and more affordable alternative to Ethereum. It's compatible with Ethereum's smart contracts, making it easy for developers to migrate their projects. However, BSC has faced criticism for its centralized nature compared to Ethereum. Solana is another high-performance blockchain that boasts fast transaction speeds and low fees. It's gaining popularity for its scalability and developer-friendly environment. However, Solana is a relatively new platform, and its long-term viability is yet to be proven. Choosing the right blockchain platform is a crucial decision. Carefully consider factors such as scalability, security, cost, and developer ecosystem before making your choice. Fortunately, a wealth of development tools and resources are available to aid in your cryptocurrency creation journey. These tools simplify the process, making it accessible even for those without extensive coding experience. Truffle Suite is a popular development environment for Ethereum and compatible blockchains. It provides a comprehensive set of tools for writing, testing, and deploying smart contracts. Its modular design and extensive documentation make it a favorite among developers. Remix IDE is a web-based integrated development environment that allows you to write, compile, and deploy smart contracts directly from your browser. It's a beginner-friendly option that's perfect for experimenting and learning the ropes of smart contract development. Open Zeppelin Contracts is a library of audited and secure smart contracts that you can use as building blocks for your own projects. This saves you time and effort while ensuring the security and reliability of your code. In addition to these tools, countless online resources, tutorials, and communities are dedicated to blockchain development. Don't hesitate to explore these resources, ask questions, and learn from the experiences of others. Security is paramount when creating your own cryptocurrency. Your smart contracts and tokenomics must be designed with robust security measures to protect against potential vulnerabilities and attacks. One crucial aspect is ensuring the security of your smart contracts. Thoroughly test your code for vulnerabilities and consider hiring independent auditors to review it for potential exploits. A single security flaw can have devastating consequences, leading to the loss of funds or compromise of your entire project. Protecting your private keys is equally important. These keys control access to your cryptocurrency. Store them securely offline using hardware wallets or other secure methods. Never share your private keys with anyone. Stay informed about common security threats in the cryptocurrency space. Phishing attacks, scams, and malware are prevalent. Be cautious about suspicious links, emails, and messages. Verify information from multiple sources before taking any action. By prioritizing security from the outset, you can mitigate risks and build a trustworthy and resilient cryptocurrency. With your cryptocurrency developed and secured, it's time to launch it into the world. This involves deploying your smart contracts to the chosen blockchain and creating a strategy to attract users and build a community around your project. Start by creating a website and white paper that clearly articulate your project's vision, technology, and tokenomics. These materials serve as essential resources for potential investors, users, and community members. Engage with the cryptocurrency community through social media, forums, and online publications. Share updates about your project, participate in discussions, and address any questions or concerns raised by the community. Consider listing your token on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, to provide liquidity and allow users to trade it. DEXs offer a more accessible and decentralized alternative to centralized exchanges. Marketing your cryptocurrency is an ongoing process. Continuously engage with your community, build relationships, and adapt your strategies based on market feedback and industry trends. Creating your own cryptocurrency is an exciting and empowering journey. It's an opportunity to innovate, build community, and participate in the decentralized revolution. This guide has equipped you with the foundational knowledge and resources to embark on this adventure. Remember to prioritize security, carefully design your tokenomics, and choose the right blockchain platform for your needs. leverage available development tools, engage with the cryptocurrency community, and never stop learning. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Embrace the challenges, stay informed, and never be afraid to experiment. Who knows, your cryptocurrency might just be the next big thing in the world of decentralized finance. Now go forth and create something amazing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you can get notified when we upload new videos.